Good day everyone! In this video, we will know how to add rational algebraic expressions. Pero yung focus lang natin dito ay same denominator. Okay? Let's have an example. Kapag ang denominator ay parehas, copy lang. Tapos, ang i-add natin yung numerator. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, copy the denominator y. So, the final answer is 5 over y. Number 2, 4 over 3a plus 11 over 3a. So, copy lang natin yung denominator. Then, add natin yung 4 and 11. 4 plus 11 equals 15. Now, when we look at 15 and 3, pwede nating i-cancel, no? We can divide 15 and 3 by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So, for the final answer, we have 5 over 1a or 5 over a. Parehas lang yun. So, kahit hindi naman natin isulat yung 1 dito, as long as may variable siyang kasama, okay lang kahit wala na yung 1. Number 3, 3x plus 2 over x plus 2 plus 2x over x plus 2. So, copy lang muna natin. 3x plus 2 plus 2x sa itaas, sa numerator. Then, over x plus 2, yung denominator. Then, we have 5x plus 2. Saan nanggaling yung 5x? Dito sa similar terms, no? 3x and 2x. So, if we have similar terms, we can combine. So, 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. So, for the final answer, 5x plus 2 over x plus 2. We cannot cancel x plus 2 because dito po sa numerator, this is 5x plus 2. No, hindi natin pwedeng idiretsong i-cancel yan. Okay? Magkaiba po yan. Last example, number 4. 3a plus 5 over a plus 2 plus a plus 3 over a plus 2. Okay, so copy lang muna natin lahat. 3a plus 5 plus a plus 3 all over a plus 2. So, dito yung 3a at a, similar terms. So, 3a plus 1a, that's equal to 4a. And then, yung 5 at 3, pwede nating i-add. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now, when we look at 4a plus 8, meron silang common factor. Pwede nating gamitan ng factoring to. So, the factor is 4 times the quantity of a plus 2. So, greatest common monomial factor. Okay? So, when we check, 4 times a, that's 4a. 4 times 2, that's equal to 8. Now, look at this. We have a plus 2 over a plus 2. So, pwede nating i-cancel yan. Okay? So, therefore, the final answer is 4. So, look at number 3 and number 4. Magkaiba po kasi yung 5x plus 2 over x plus 2. Because in this case, wala naman tayong finactor out dito. At wala tayong parenthesis na makikita rito. While in number 4, nag-factor out tayo dun sa 4a plus 8. Kaya naman naging 4 times a plus 2. So, pwede nating i-cancel to. Yung a plus 2. Okay? If you have any question or clarifications, ilagay nyo lang dyan sa ating comment section. And then, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, huwag kalimutan i-click ang like. Thank you so much. At kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng mga ganitong klaseng videos, tutorials, huwag kalimutan i-click ang follow. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.